If you need to reset your Apple Pay password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Open Settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including Apple Pay. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and related services. Step 3. Select Password and Security. In the Apple ID settings, find and select the Password and Security option. This section allows you to change your password and manage security settings. Step 4. Change Password. Tap on Change Password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new password, confirm the changes. You may need to sign back into your Apple Pay and other Apple services using your new password. Once you have completed these steps, your Apple Pay password will be reset. Make sure to remember your new password for future use.